Hello guys, the channel Good Gadgets is here, and today we have the new parcel from Wallapop. I have bought two laptops from one guy from Wallapop just for 30 and 35 euros. So let's see what I've got. All these laptops was described like non-working, but let's see. So we have the first one is Lenovo. Here is the model G50. So overall it's in more or less good condition. It's used, of course, but I don't know. I don't see any great critical problems. Okay, so this is a screen, the keyboard, all in more or less good condition. Okay, so we have LEDs, and I think the problem it won't start. Yep, so it won't start, and I think the problem with this laptop is BIOS. It's BIOS, so we have to reprogram it to do the work. The good thing is I confident that this laptop have the RAM and HDD. So let's see. Let's take off this plastic. Okay. So the plastic cover, and I hope we will see that it really has the RAM. I like one thing, that definitely the battery is in working condition, because this laptop starts up. Yeah, it doesn't show the video on its display, but doesn't matter, the battery is in working condition. Okay. Let's try this spudger. If it doesn't work, I will use the metallic one. Nope. So it doesn't have, you see, it doesn't have HDD, but actually it has RAM. So we have, let's see how much RAM we have. We have, let's see, closer. Yeah, the 4 gigs, and I think the 4. Yeah, and the one, so it's 8 gigas of RAM. It costs like 20-30 euros. So just the RAM costs more, costs the same as the laptops, and it has the working battery. So I think that's pretty good. So I will try to repair this laptop in one of the next videos. But now let's check the other laptop. Okay, just for curiosity, let's check the laptop with just one RAM. Nope. It won't start. And the other RAM. Let's try. Okay. And the other. So as I know, this type of laptops works with DDPCL type of RAM. Okay. No, it won't start, but it doesn't matter. Okay, let's turn it off. Yep. Let's add the RAM and let's close the plastic cover. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is not the right type of screw. And here we have the right type. So let's close it. So the conclusion about this laptop. I think it has a working screen because it doesn't have cracks. This actually has the working battery and it has 8 gigas of RAM. So it costs more than 30 or 35 euros. The price I paid to buy this laptop. And the next one, Sony Vaio. I like this Sony because it has pretty good things. So let's check the RAM from the beginning, because if it doesn't have the RAM, so it cannot start even if it's in good condition. Okay, so we have the RAM. We have, I don't know how much this one have, and okay, maybe the other side. So 4 gigs, you see, 4 gigs, and it has the 2 RAMs and 4 gigs, so the same. Even if this laptop doesn't work, so we have the 8 gigs of RAM. So I like the Wallapop because many people doesn't remove the RAM or HDD from the laptops before selling it. And even if laptop doesn't work, I could use this RAM and I can sell it for spare parts. I mean, not RAM, but the entire laptop. Okay, let's close and let's see what we have more. The good thing, we have the battery. I hope it is in working condition, because the battery for this laptop costs like 30 euros. So it's pretty big amount for the battery. And what we have here, let's see. Hey. Okay. And no, we doesn't have the HDD. We doesn't have the hard disk, but anyway, I have a lot of them, so if the laptop is in working condition, we can use it. let's see the overall condition. So here we have, it's pretty good. So it has the CD. This we have is pretty used, but it's not so important. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so I see the problem. Yeah, I know. These laptops has a pretty, yeah, we have here the crack. Pretty bad plastic, but I have the spare parts for the plastic, so I have this one and we can replace it. I think this laptop has the keyboard with the backlight and it has the good processor. So let's try to, no, it won't turn off, it turned on, but I have the charger. Let's see. This is a charger for Sony Vaio here. Let's see. Okay, the green light, yes, but what about the entire laptop? Do we have the orange light of charging battery? No. Ah, yes, we have. So the battery and in working condition, but because the battery of Sony Vaio, when it doesn't work, it's just blinking with orange light. So here is the permanent orange light, and it means that the laptop is in working condition. And let's try to turn it on. Okay, the cooler starts to work. Okay, and I think that's all, yeah? We doesn't have any video on the screen, so this is a problem. It's interesting because the orange light of HD is blinking, but we doesn't have the HD, so the problem is somewhere near here. But anyway, we have the working battery. We have more or less in good condition the plastic, and we have the 8 gigs of RAM. So this costs, this laptop in this state I think costs like 80 euros. And I have one more. I already tried it, but I would like to show you. I will leave this laptop on charge. Okay. And the last one. Actually, I have got 3. So, I've got it from another parcel, but it's like an almost perfect condition. It's barely used. Almost doesn't have scratches. You see? It has 4 gigs of RAM, and inside I got the HDD 500 gigs. The working battery, I think it's a new one because the plastic is like new, and overall state is very good. Here all works. I already checked it because I got it earlier than this laptop and the other one, and it works. You see, I bought this one just for 30 euros, guys. The price of this is like 150, as I saw in Wallapop. So I don't know the reason why somebody sells the laptop in this condition, in fully working condition, that doesn't need any repair work. You see, just somebody sells this just for 30 euros. Of course, it's not every day, but So that's all for today. I will show you in some next video how I repair this laptop and the Lenovo. So please connect to my channel, subscribe, ring the bell, and see you in the next video. Bye.